everyone! Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to ace your exams by studying smarter, not harder. If you're tired of endless cramming and want to make your study sessions more effective, you're in the right place. Stick around because we're diving into some top-notch study hacks that will make learning feel like a breeze. Let's get into it. Scene 2. Create the perfect study environment. First off, let's talk about space. Yes, your study environment is key. Make sure your study area is clean, well-lit, and distraction-free. It's all about creating a space that makes you feel calm and focused. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind, so take a few minutes to tidy up before you start. Consider adding some personal touches to your study space. Maybe a plant, some motivational quotes, or even a comfortable chair. The goal is to create a space where you actually want to spend time. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Scene 3. Master the Pomodoro Technique. Next up, the Pomodoro Technique. This is a lifesaver. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle and take a longer break after 4 Pomodoros. It keeps your brain fresh and prevents burnout. And hey, who doesn't love a good break? Use this time to stretch, grab a snack, or just relax for a bit. You'll come back feeling more focused and ready to tackle the next session. Scene 4. Leverage digital flashcards. Now, onto a classic but golden tip: flashcards. But let's twist it up a bit. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet to create digital flashcards. This lets you study on the go and take advantage of spaced repetition algorithms, which help you focus on concepts you haven't mastered yet. The beauty of digital flashcards is that you can easily update them and carry them with you wherever you go. Plus, many of these apps have community-shared decks, so you can benefit from the work others have already done. It's a great way to reinforce your learning and ensure you're covering all the necessary material. Scene 5. Teach what you've learned. Another game changer? Teach what you've learned. Find a study buddy and explain the material to them. Teaching is a powerful method to reinforce what you know and highlight what you need to review. Plus, it makes study sessions a lot more fun and interactive. When you teach someone else, you're forced to organize your thoughts and present the information clearly, which helps solidify your understanding. You can also try recording yourself explaining a topic and then playing it back. This can help you catch any gaps in your knowledge and improve your communication skills. Scene 6. Take care of your body. Don't forget about your body. Get enough sleep, eat well, and throw in some exercise. Your brain needs fuel and rest just as much as it needs exercise. You'll be surprised how much more you can retain when your body is well cared for. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, and try to incorporate some physical activity into your daily routine. Even a short walk can do wonders for your focus and energy levels. And don't underestimate the power of a healthy diet. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and vitamins can boost brain function and improve memory. So swap out those chips for some nuts or berries during your study breaks. Scene 7. Set achievable goals and reward yourself. And lastly, keep your motivation high by setting small achievable goals. Break down your study material into manageable chunks and set specific targets for each session. Reward yourself when you reach them. Whether it's a small treat or a break to watch an episode of your favorite show, rewards make the grind much more enjoyable. This not only keeps you motivated but also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you progress. Alright, that's a wrap on my top study hacks. Try these out and watch your learning go from zero to hero in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy studying! Scene 8. Bonus tips and conclusion. Before we go, here are a few bonus tips. Use mind maps to organize your thoughts and see the bigger picture. Highlight key points in your textbooks and make summary notes. These techniques can help you understand and remember complex information more easily. Also, consider using study apps to track your progress and stay on schedule. Apps like Forest or Focus at Will can help you stay focused and manage your time effectively. Remember, the key to successful studying is consistency and balance. Don't overdo it, and make sure to take care of yourself along the way. Thanks for sticking around till the end. I hope you found these tips helpful and are ready to take your study game to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Happy studying and good luck on your exams.